In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can operate keyboard Clipboard. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and then copy or cut any text to test Clipboard. Now, if you want to paste it right away, just tap on it at the top of your keyboard. But if you want to paste it later on, click on the Clipboard icon. Tap on your text to paste it. Hold it and use pin icon at the top right corner to pin it. This way it won't disappear. And to unpin it, hold it again and this time tap on crossed pin. To delete anything from Clipboard, you need to hold it and use the delete button next to the pin one. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. To delete text on the go, use this button at the bottom right corner, and to go back to standard keyboard, click on the keyboard icon at the top left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!